So let's go here and let's split the so what we want to do is we want to split this split the layer. Okay, so this source I want to delete. Okay, and I want to bring this. So I'm going to go to right where I'm about to start talking. We're going to split the layer there, and then we'll delete this, and then we're going to bring this all the way to the beginning. I'll hit home, and then we'll play it. Have you always wanted to learn how to edit video but don't know where to start? Would you like to make amazing videos and bring your ideas to life? Then Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate Course is for you. Hi, I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading you through this course. Video editing is an in-demand skill in 2021. Let me try that again. Okay, so leading you through this course. So after I say I'll be leading you through this course, then we're going to pause. I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading you through this. Okay, then we're going to split. So let's do edit, split, layer. And this piece right here, we're going to keep the way it is. And then we're going to look at this, and we'll cut it up where we need to. Video editing is an in-demand skill in 2021. Let me try that again. Okay, let me try that again. Then I'll pause. And let's do edit. Let's do split layer, and then let's delete this one, okay? And let's keep playing. Hi, I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading you through this course. Video editing is an in-demand skill in 2021. Okay, so rewind it to here, and then after I say, hi, I'm Josh Warner, I'll be leading you through this course. Pause it there, and then we'll cut. Hi, I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading you through this course. Right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to split that layer, and then let's keep playing. Video editing is an in-demand skill in 2021. The course begins with the basics. I'll take you through everything you need to know to start editing videos like an expert. Okay, so let's bring this over to the left, and then let's put it about right here and play. Everything you need to know to start editing videos like an expert. You'll learn all the fundamentals of Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. This is great for students starting out or for video editors that need a refresher course on Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. Have you always wanted to learn how to edit? Okay, so you'll notice we ran out of time. So to fix that, we're going to go to Composition, Settings, and we have a 30-second duration. So let's do a 1-minute duration, okay? So this is frames, seconds, minutes, hours. So we want 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. That'll extend our timeline, okay? And so when we scrub to the right, now we have more space. Okay, so what I want to do is we'll guesstimate about right here and then keep playing. You need to know to start editing videos like an expert. You'll learn all the fundamentals of Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. This is great for students starting out or for video editors that need a refresher course on Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to look through the course description and check out some of my preview videos. The course is packed with over 3 hours of hands-on tutorials. So what are you waiting for? I look forward to going through the course with you. I'll see you inside. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go to 44 here. I'll play this. I'll see you inside. Right there, okay? Let's split that layer, and then we can delete this, okay? And now we have our promo video. Okay, so now you'll notice we're right at 45 seconds. So what we can do is we can just click here and drag over to 45 seconds. Okay, now we have content over here. Actually, there's no content there. It just was split. So that's where there was content. But if we drag this over to the left at the 45-second mark, now we have what we need. Now, we're going to need a few more seconds because of the logo. So I want to give us 5 seconds. So go to the 50 mark and then drag this over to the 50 mark. Okay. So that way we can add this logo that's locked and turned off at the end. Okay. So that's how you add the main video and edit the main video. Okay. So we're going to call this, I should be able to click on it and rename it. If not, I'll go up here. Let's call it main video. Okay, there you go. So now we know that both of these are the main video. Okay, that's important to know because we're going to be editing the B-roll next. Okay, so we need to have good labeling and know where everything is. All right, so that's how you add the main video and edit the main video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.